Assalamualaikum, nama saya Naatira binti Razali, nombor matrik 13 DDT 21 F2006. Question 1. Insertion sort. Step 1. Start with the second element C and compare it with the first element H. Since C is smaller, swap them. Sequence after step 1, CHBRED. Step 2, move to the third element B, compare it with the previous elements and swap until it is in the correct position. Sequence after step 2, BCHRED. Step 3, move the 4 element R, compare it with the previous element and swap until it is in the correct position. Sequence after step 3, BCHRED. Step 4, move the 5 element E, compare it with the previous elements and swap until it is in the correct position. Sequence after step 4, BCEHRD. Step 5, move the 6th element D, compare it with the previous elements and swap until it is in the correct position. Sequence after step 5, BCDEHR. The final sort sequence is BCDEHR. Selection sort. Step 1, find the minimum element B in the entire sequence and swap it with the first element H. Sequence after step 1, BCHRED. Step 2, find the minimum element C in the remaining sequence and swap it with the second element H. Sequence after step 2, BCHRED. Step 3, find the minimum element H in the remaining sequence and swap it with the third element H, non-change. Sequence after step 3, BCHRED. Step 4, find the minimum element R in the remaining sequence and swap it with the 4 element R, non-change. Sequence after step 4, BCHRED. Step 5, find the minimum element E in the remaining sequence and swap it with the 5 element E, non-change. Sequence after step 5, BCHRED. Step 6, find the minimum element D in the remaining sequence and swap it with the 6th element D, non-change. Sequence after step 6, BCHRED. The final sort sequence is BCDEHR.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Dalili Fahimah binti Zainabidin, nombor matrik 13 DDT 21 F2046. Based on the following problem, sort is each of item by using merge sort. Step 1, divide the list into two halves. 26, 50, 58, and 38, 12, 40, and 80. Step 2, recursively sort. Recursively apply merge sort to each of the two halves. For the first half, 26, 50, 58. Divide it to 26 and 50 and 58. Recursively sort 26, which is already sort, and 50, 58. For 50, 58, divide it into 50 and 58, and then merge them to get 50, 58 sort. Merge 26 and 50, 58 to get 26, 50, and 58. For the second half, 38, 12, 40, and 80, divide it into 38, 12, and 40, 80. Recursively sort 38, 12 by dividing it into 38 and 12, and then merge them to get 12 and 38. Recursively sort 40, 80 by dividing it into 40 and 80, and then merge them to get 4080. Merge 1238 and 4080 to get 1238, 4080. Step 3. Merge. Merge the two sort have 26, 50, 58 and 12, 38, 40, 80. Compare the first element of each list. Select the small one, 12. Move to the next element in the list from which the smaller element was taken, 26. Continue the process until all elements are merged. Final sort list 12, 28, 38, 40, 50, 58, and 80. Next. Based on the following problems, sort each of item by using bubble sort. Sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compare adjacent elements, and swap them if they are in the wrong order. The pass-through, the list is repeated until the list is sorted. Step-by-step process. First, compare the first two elements, 5 and 1. Since 5 is greater than 1, swap them. List 1, 5, 4, 2, 8. Second, compare the second and third elements, 5 and 4. Swap them. List 1, 4, 5, 2, 8. Number 3, compare the third and fourth elements, 5 and 2. Then, list 1, 4, 2, 5, 8. Number 4, compare the fourth and fifth elements, 5 and 8. No need to swap. Now, the largest element 8 is in its correct position at the end of the list. Repeat the process for the remaining unsorted elements. First, compare the first two elements, 1 and 4. No need to swap. Compare the second and third elements, 4 and 2. Swap them. List 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Compare the third and fourth element, 4 and 5. Now, the second largest element, 5. It is correct position. Compare the two elements, 1 and 2. Second, compare the second and third elements, 2 and 4. No need to swap. Final sort is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. Thank you.